Well, hello there, YouTube. Today is Wednesday. It's my day off. I don't know what it is, March. First week of March. I didn't check my phone. But my safety, or my vehicle inspection, or when I get new stickers from my license plate, was due in February. And I think, I don't know if you all know how bad it was here in February. 7 degrees, we had ice, and then we had snow, and then we had more ice. So I wasn't able to get my safety inspection done so I could get my new stickers for my license plate. They're still 221. But I got it done. They'll usually give you some grace period, especially now they know, everybody around here knows what the weather was like in February, so couldn't get it done. Got it done today. But it's a pretty nice day. A little cool yet. I mean, it's well, it's not that bad. 66, this says. It's probably not quite 66, but got a little light jacket on. I can't believe gas has gone up so high. It's went up $1 a gallon since Biden took over. What a nice day. It's a little cool, but still a beautiful day. No clouds. Beautiful weather. So, out enjoying this weather on my day off. It's a kind of a pretty view. I don't know if you can see it with the GoPro, but there's a Spyder, or a Can-Am Riker, not a Spyder. Probably be a lot of them out today. God, this thing was covered in dust from the garage. I tried to wipe it off, but it needs washed. It's a mess. I think one time I rode it was wet, so I got water spots and dirt underneath on the mufflers and all that, and the wheels. I didn't wash it today though. You can see the dust on it. I wiped it, but I can see dust right there. Wiped it with the, what is that I use? Novus, the plastic window cleaner. I use it for the entire bike to clean it, and it works really good. Don't know where I'm going. I think I got the little Mavic Mini with Mini 2 with me, so I looked at the KP index. It's a 4, so that's pretty high. And KP index, like if it's high, you will lose GPS and your drone will fly away. I learned that the hard way years ago. I didn't know anything about it, and I actually had my drone like 5 feet away and it just took off. That was a GoPro, but that's when I learned that the KP index was a 5 and it was extremely high, and that's solar flares hitting our atmosphere, so it affects the satellite transmissions and not so much on a GPS, but it does for the RC kind of drone kind of thing. But I remember I go to these forums and there's so many people say, oh, that's a myth, there ain't nothing about that. Well, I had the DJI, I still have the DJI Phantom 4 Pro, and I went out one day and it was a 5, and I knew it. I just thought I'd try it. I got 30 feet away and my controller said land immediately, geomagnetic interference. So it is not a myth. It's a fact. You got the high KP index, don't fly your drone. A 1 is perfect. A 5 is no good. You'll get that, download that UAV app, and it'll tell you do not fly when the KP index is really high. So I learned almost the hard way. I mean, it flew away, and even my controller, the screen went black. So I'm thinking, holy crap. But I got it back. I don't know how I got it back. Bye.